Hi there, welcome to Voices of SA, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below your thoughts. Reports say that a nurse allegedly leaked pictures of Makadzi, leaving fans deeply upset. She is reportedly having difficulty in breathing, with her condition described as on and off. What the nurse allegedly revealed has left many of her supporters heartbroken and worried about her well-being. We were all unfortunately left asking ourselves, so why did she even do this? Because I don't think it's even necessary. Because Makadzi, she's a very well-known person around the whole world, in fact. And for her to be trending in such a condition, I don't think it's good for her fans to see her like that. Because after we received the news that she was involved in an accident, it did not sit well with most of her supporters. Obviously, this was not good news. We didn't know her condition, and for her to be trending out here like this, guys, like it's just something else. And it broke my heart, really, to know that some people are capable of doing such a thing. Even if you are not a very well-known person, I don't think you deserve to be trending on social media while you are still at the hospital lying there. Because even at the hospital, they do not allow phones, they don't allow you to take pictures. And now she is all over social media, which is a very sad thing. I feel like whoever leaked these pictures on social media without her consent have to be held accountable. Like, they have to deal with the side effects of doing such a thing, so that even tomorrow no one will do something like that. I don't think anyone deserves to be trending on social media while they are lying there at the hospital, still trying to fight for their lives. We are all just praying for her speed recovery. May she recover quickly and go back to her loved ones. And her supporters are the ones that love her the most, because she was supposed to be performing and now she is at the hospital fighting for her life.